Yes, numbers, everywhere numbers, and something that can bring value to customers, either is knowledge, emotions, or profit. Some people's examples: the hours invested in knowledge, work done for money income, sacrifices made in the name of future success, tears of regrets as consequences of wasted life. What do you see in this image? Except the numbers, what do you see? First we buy the words, the images, the promise of something, because we are stupid and driven by emotions, dopamine, and enthusiasm, not by the rational brain. Numbers: we wake up seeing the hour, we sleep after we set the alarm clock for tomorrow. A basic example: a family who earns $50,000 per year, in 20 years they earn $1 million, incoming money, if they didn't spend them all, and reinvest at least 30% in the last 20 years, you do the math, they could have been multi-millionaires, but they lived the good life and now regrets are talking in their mind. Welcome to Enrich Talks, the honest mediocre channel about a boy's dream and a legacy of thoughts and life lessons. Think at numbers: cost per hour, per labor day, month, per year, EBITDA, and cash flow. Behind the rich people are just numbers that match and the idea that sells. The rest is the cruel reality of the stress, risks and knowledge needed, the power of good decisions and the cash flow that shows reality, plus the self-made luck. Today's talk is about numbers, the secret of the real rich, at least one of the so-called secrets, because if you hate or fail at calculating stuff, you end bankrupt and poor. How the system works: you build a product, a business, a service, write a book or learning course, something that can bring value to customers, either is knowledge, emotions, or profit. Then you establish a honest price, not too big, people are not stupid, and not too small because people will think it is low value. Having an honest price, this way you can say the phrase so much value for just $20, then you do the math, how you will sell to 50,000 people and make your first $1 million. Then you reinvest, pay for counseling, create new products. These are not just numbers, these are the numbers of sleepless nights of working, numbers of lies you bought being silly, numbers of contracts, numbers of YouTube views, and cost per view, the number of books sold, subscriptions, sponsors, number of hours, kilograms, acres, numbers of the people you meet or are you friend with, and the cost per product or service. 20 numbers that make you 1 million of something, dollars or euros, oil, gas. Of course these are just examples, still behind the multi-level marketing and Ponzi schemes, or commissioned drop shipping, or the numbers behind the beautiful words, arranged in ways to convince you to buy the fake success stories. We have fun and games, free beer, young single boys and girls, just pay our expensive entrance ticket. Behind fake data, information, and names that doesn't exist, are numbers. In upload of this talk you will find the link to my famous talk, named, Selling the Rich Dream: The Last Scam. Returning to the reality of a combination of customers, return of investment, compound debts, multiplication factor, money knowledge, money attachment, give percents of profit, delay gratification, sacrifices, taxes and avoid some, offering or receiving a possible bribe, link in description of this talk, and enjoy the moment of success being humble and grateful for your life journey. Being taken by the wave of a possible success, before touching it, is stupidity. We quit too fast, we don't believe in the power of numbers, in the power of so-called self-made luck, and results that come from action. Never before, good result don't come from laziness. Numbers are the script on which success is written. First come numbers, then come papers, then profit is knocking at your door. Please come into my life. Okay, enough with fables and imaginary being rich scenarios. The reality nobody knows, because we don't knows how we will be in the future. Still under 1% of rich people become rich by mistake, by error on failure. Millionaire's destination address. Do you win the lottery if you don't play? No. Either you become millionaire by someone already rich who pays you for your work, or you invent your job and become self-made. I have an episode called 10 Types of Future, Rich Poor Lazy Worker. Or the episode, $1 Million Resume, or The Millionaire's Wife is Now in Work in Progress. I had this episode in mind and these thoughts before I started this channel, before the dream of becoming millionaire, before investing and losing money. The definition of being beautiful, the face and body symmetry, particular signs and skin color, weight versus muscles distribution, eyes and natural hair. Other numbers are liters, barrels, oil, gold, land, guns, diamonds, properties, wood, water, health parameters, life and success, life versus reality, hour played, number of beers and cigars, climate and temperature degrees, consumption of everything, number of kids born today, world population. I have a personal identification number. What is your favorite number combination?